Hi, best way to access the property from dictionary in Python. I am creating person dictionary with name, age, city. Now I will read the property name from the person dictionary. Let's print the name. Now I can able to read the name property using this syntax. Now, I will try with new country property, which is not available in person dictionary, with same syntax. We got key error that country property is not available. We can use get method to avoid this error. Now we got none, as an output without any error. We can add default value, if property is none. I am adding France as a default value to the country. Now we got the default value France in the console. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.